Hello everybody, welcome to another YouTube video from Black Cuber. Today I'm going to be teaching you some more Rubik's Cube patterns that you can impress your friends with or just show to your family. And this is my second video, so it's not going to be as cringy. I'm just going to get straight to the point. So let's get right into the video. Woo! Now what's cool and unique about this pattern is on one side it's solved, but on the other side it's completely scrambled, so it looks really cool. And if you can flip it the right way, it looks like you solved the cube in like a second. Now again, if you know cube notation, here's a little guide on how to do it, but if you're a beginner, I'll walk you through it. Called Twisted Peaks. There's white, green, and red, and it kind of looks like a triangle or I don't even know. Now here's the tutorial for it. The next pattern is actually one of my favorites, and it's called the Anaconda Pattern because if you follow that line, it looks like a snake is going through the cube, and it looks really awesome. Well, that concludes the video. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure you subscribe to Black Cuber 1, and yeah.